Rashtriya Poshan Mah, the National Nutrition Month, organized and celebrated this year for the fourth time by the Ministry of Women and Child Development, focusing on spreading awareness about importance of nutrition and healthy lifestyle. Every year, the Poshan Mah is celebrated under Poshan Abhiyan, which was launched on occasion of International Women's Day on March 8, 2018. Members of American Dietetic Association decided and marked 4th to 10th March as National Nutrition Week for the first time in 1973. They came up with the idea to raise awareness about the need for nutrition education while promoting the profession of dietitians. In 1982, Indian government also decided to launch campaign as National Nutrition Week, which was celebrated throughout the first week of September. The main goal of this campaign was to educate people to live healthy lifestyle and teach them about the significance of nutrition. In 2018, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi launched the Poshan Abhiyan to improve nutritional outcomes for children, adolescent girls, pregnant women, and lactating mothers. On 24th July 2018, National Council on India's Nutrition Challenges decided to celebrate the month of September as Rashtriya Poshan Mah to give momentum to Poshan Abhiyan. In this month-long campaign, sub-programs, premieres, talk shows will have people of all age groups taking part in it. This year's theme for Rashtriya Poshan Mah is Feeding Smart Right from Start, covering nutrition behaviors of the first 1000 days, including 270 days of pregnancy and first 2 years of baby's life. These 1000 days are crucial as most of the baby's development is done by this time. During this period, requirements of protein, calories, iron, folic acid, DHA, calcium, and other vitamin minerals increases for both mother and child. To fulfill the requirements, some nutritional guidelines should be followed. During pregnancy and lactation, special care should be taken. The woman should eat a balanced diet rich in vital nutrients. Milk and milk products should be consumed adequately, especially for protein and calcium. The salt used for cooking must be iodized. Iron folic acid tablets and calcium supplementation should be taken as advised. No medications or herbs should be consumed over the counter without doctor's advice. The woman should take good care about her and her baby's personal hygiene and cleanliness to reduce infection. Breast care should be started since third trimester of pregnancy and continued minimum up to 2 years from delivery. Wash hands before eating and feeding the child, and also after defecation and handling baby's stool. Safe water should be used for drinking and cooking purpose. The pregnant lady must get at least 4 antenatal checkups from nearest health facility. The mother and the family should be encouraged for institutional delivery at nearest health center or hospital. After delivery, every newborn should be breastfed within 1 hour of birth and exclusively breastfed for first 6 months. Every infant must be given nutritionally adequate complementary foods on completing 6 months, with breastfeeding continued till 2 years and beyond. Regular monitoring of growth of infants and children should be done to assess nutritional status, and nutritional advice should be provided if needed. Every child should be provided with full immunization under Universal Immunization Program. From 9 months onwards, the child should be supplemented with vitamin A, and deworming syrup or tablet should be given twice a year from 1 year of age. It is our duty to spread nutrition education and health awareness to make our country malnutrition free. If you want more videos on pregnancy, child care and nutrition related topics, let me know into the comment section. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share with others. Thank you for watching.